It's with great gratitude to Sudhish ji and the Azim Premji Foundation that we begin this musical exploration, which we have titled as Dialogues with the Divine. It's said that music can speak when all else fails, because music can create access to a shared ancestry of emotions, of metaphors, of meanings, of symbolisms, which spoken language or language with syntax and semantics cannot. And that's why, whether it's a prayer in Hebrew or in Hindi, the emotion of transcendence, the spirit of transcendence is the same. And that's why the words of Kabir can meet the words of Kuvempu in a totally different language, segregated across several centuries even. And that's why a Tyagaraja can echo the sentiment that was spoken several centuries ago or several centuries later by Tagore. And so in this very short concert today, we are going to piece together, bring together, pair together musical poetry, text, words, thoughts with the spine of Gandhiji's Ekadasha Vratas. Gandhiji had identified 11 vows or 11 behavioral commitments, which he thought was the spine of religiosity in his world. Ahimsa, Satya, Asteya, Brahmacharya, Asangraha, Sharira, Shrama, Asvada, Sarvatra, Bhayavarjana, Sarvadharmi, Samanatva, Swadeshi, Sparsha, Bhavana. These were the 11 vows. And so although we can't produce pieces which echo and reflect all the 11 vows, we have selected 7 of them. And we're going to show the actual thoughts and excerpts from Gandhiji's writing on the backdrop, and we will piece together musical poetry which reflect on each one of these vows: Asteya, Ahimsa, Brahmacharya, Asangraha, Asteya, and so on. So our first piece talks about who is the inner guru and where does he live, how to access him. Because Gandhiji said that the only guru that the Satyagrahi has to respond to is the one within. So he says that the Satyagrahi must only listen to the dictates and the dictum of his inner self. And so this sentiment is echoed from time immemorial. Kabir says, Jaka chit jaso base, so tehi sada hajur, whose mind is enshrined in his own hukum, in his own hujur. He has found himself. And Kuvempu, a Kannada poet, several centuries later, echoes the same sentiment that Jatila Kutila Tama Antaranga Bahu, Bhava Vipina Sanchari. The mind, the cognition can be false. It's very cryptic. There can be many imposters of seemingly real thought. Only Antaratamani Guru Atma Tamohari. And once you have found this Antaratama Guru, the Guru that resides within, one has found his Hajur, as Kabir says. So our first piece is called Kabir Meets Kuvempu. And we use this to enshrine the idea of what Satyagraha means from an inside-out perspective. जाका चित जाका चित जासो बसे जाका चित जासो बसे जाका चित जासो बसे सोती सोती सदा हजूर अंतरतमणि हे आत्मतमोहारी अंतरतमणि हे आत्मतमोहारी अंतरतमणि जटिल कुटिल तमांतरंग बहु जटिल कुटिल तमांतरंग बहु भाव विपिन संचारी भाव विपिन संचारी जटिल कुटिल तमांतरंग बहु. The mind is full of lies. There may be false egos, false identifications. Jatila kutila tamantaranga bahu. Bhava vipina samchar. There may be misguided emotions. You may have false thoughts. Jatila kutila tamantaranga bahu. Bhava vipina संचारी भाव विपिन संचारी भाव विपिन संचारी पाप पुण्य नाना ललित रुद्र लीला 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 रूप रूप बिहारी रूप रूप बिहारी अंतरतमणि जासो बसे जाका चित जासो बसे जाका चित जासो ಅಂತರತಮನಿ 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 ಆತ್ಮತಮೋ Our next piece presents what was called the Ashrama Bhajanavali, which is even sung today morning and evening at the Sabarmati Ashram. And this pieces together a sacred text from various religions. We start with the Isha-vasyam idam sarvam from the Ishopanishad. We move on to the Jain Navkar mantra. And Gandhiji himself handpicked and curated and pieced this medley of sacred texts together. And so we took that section. We have the Lord's Prayer from the Christian traditions. And then we took that and paired it with Sadashiva Brahmendra's Sarvam Brahmamayam. And we thought it's a nice segue into the idea that you were all echoing this morning in various nuanced expressions of thought, that Sarvam Brahmamayam, Kim Rachaniyam, Kim Vachaniyam, because everything is already created and perceived and heard in the divine consciousness. भुञ्जिता येन त्यक्तेन भुञ्जीता मा गृहः कस्य स्विद्धनम् मा गृहः कस्य स्विद्धनम् Gari ga ba da sa ri gari da 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 ba gari ga gari ga ba da sa da ba gari sa ri ga ba da sa ri gari sa da ba da ba gari sa gari ba ga da ba sa da sa ga gari ri ba ba ga da da ba sa da gari ri sa da gari sa ri ga ba da sa ri gari sa da Sare ga ba da sare ga re sare ga ba da sa da ba ga re ga ba da sa da ba ga re ga ba da ba ga re Om Namo Arihantanam Om Namo Arihantanam Om Namo Siddhanam Om Namo Ayariyanam Om Namo Arihantanam Om Namo Siddhanam Om Namo Ayariyanam Om Namo Loye Om Namo Loye Yesu Panchanamuttaro Yesu Panchanamuttaro Sarva Pavapanashano Yesu Panchanamuttaro Sarva Pavapanashano Om Namo Arihantanam Om Namo Siddhanam Om Namo Ayariyanam who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from the evil. For thine is the kingdom. For thine is the kingdom, the power, the glory, forever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever. Amen. Our next piece needs no introduction. Vaishnava Janato Tene Kahiye Je. The piece is historic and it is associated with Gandhiji. In this piece, we bring together the Kannada translation of Vaishnava Janato by Jayant Kaikini, and it underscores the idea of empathy. And Gandhiji, as this quote says, that can you change the slide? If you don't mind. That he is a true Vaishnava. Vaishnava is not somebody who's a believer of Vishnu, but a true Vaishnava is one who can empathize with his brethren. And so this piece highlights the role of empathy in being a devout person. ಬಲ್ಲವನಾದರೆ ಗೆಲ್ಲುವೆ ನೀನು ಬಾಳಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರ ನೋವನು ಬಲ್ಲವನಾದರೆ ಗೆಲ್ಲುವೆ ನೀನು ಬಾಳಲ್ಲಿ ಲೋಭವಿಲ್ಲ ಲೋಭವಿಲ್ಲದ ಉಪಕಾರವೇ ಸುಖವು ಗರ್ವವದಿರೆ ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ಬಲ್ಲವನಾದರೆ ಗೆಲ್ಲುವೆ ನೀನು ಬಾಳಲ್ಲಿ ವೈಷ್ಣವ ಜನತೋ ತೇರೆ ಕಹಿಯೇ ಜೆ पीठ पराई जाने पर दुखी उपकार करे मन पीठ पराई जाने सकल जीवದಲ್ಲಿ ಗೌರವವಿರಲಿ सकल ಜೀವದಲ್ಲಿ ಗೌರವವಿರಲಿ ಸೂಯೆ ಅಳಿದಿರಲಿ ಸುಳ್ಳಿನ ರುಚಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅರಿಯದ ನಾವಿಗೆ ಪರಧರ್ಮವನ್ನು वनलोभी ने कपट रहित छे वनलोभी ने कपट रहित छे काम क्रोध भूल रसैयो तेनु दर्शन करता पुणे कोटेर तरारे वैष्णव जनतो तेने कहिए जे ಎಲ್ಲರ ನೋವನು ಬಲ್ಲವನಾದರೆ ಗೆಲ್ಲುವೆ ನೀನು ಬಾಳಲ್ಲಿ पीठ पराई जाने रे पर दुखे उपकार करे तो पर दुखे उपकार करे मन अभिमानना आने रे वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जो पीढ़ पर आई जाने रे। Peace is a Telugu Tattvapada which rhetorically asks this question about what is pure, what is sacred. ఏమి సేతురాలింగా గంగ ఉదకము తెచ్చి నీకు తుష్టుగా పూజలు చేయదమంటే ఇట్ సేస్ ఇన్ తెలుగు ఐ థాట్ ఓ లార్డ్ ఐల్ బ్రింగ్ యూ దిస్ మోస్ట్ సేక్రెడ్ వాటర్ ఆఫ్ ద గ్యాంజెస్. But then I realized that the water of the Ganges is touched by the living matter, the tadpoles, the frogs, the whole living ecosystem that lives underwater. And their saliva, గంగ ఉదకము తెచ్చి నీకు తుష్టుగా పూజలు చేయదమంటే గంగలున్న చాపకెప్ప ఎంజిలంటున్నది లింగ. He says the saliva of the tadpole has touched the water. So now are we to say that the water of the Ganges is not so sacred? So rhetorically it asks this question of what is pure and what is sacred, and that everything in this universe is touched physically by each other. We are it's an increasingly interconnected world, and so how can we have the concept of untouchability when everything in the natural world is touched by each other's life and living? And so this piece asks this question as a question posed to Shiva. Emi Seturalinga, Mahadeva Shambho, what do I do, Shiva? Where do I get that most pristine, pure water or fire or earth or any element that is untouched by? And he says that the only pure thing is my devotion, and that I offer at your feet. And I would like to, this is also a special moment that my guru, I have had several musical explorations from Hindustani music to ghazal and jazz, and later at the New England Conservatory. I am very happy to present this concert in the presence of Dr. Nagaraj Rao Havaldar, who introduced me to the many divine dialogues with Hindustani music. It's an honor and privilege to present this in front of you, sir. And good to see you after 25 years. Yeah, presenting Emi Seturalinga. గంగ ఉదకము తెచ్చి నీకు లింగ పూజలు చైదమంటే గంగ ఉదకము తెచ్చి నీకు లింగ పూజలు చైదమంటే గంగలున్న చాపకప్ప ఎంజిలంటున్నది లింగ గంగలున్న చాపకప్ప ఎంజిలంటున్నది లింగ మానుభావ మా దేవ శంభో మా లింగమూర్తి ఏమి సేతురా లింగ ఏమి సేతురా ఏమి తుమ్ము పువ్వులు తెచ్చి నీకు తుమ్ము పువ్వులు తెచ్చి నీకు చుట్టుగా పూచైరమంటే తుమ్ము పువ్వులు తెచ్చి నీకు దుష్టుగా పూచైరమంటే కొమ్మ కొమ్మకు చాపకప్ప కొమ్మ కొమ్మకు చాపకప్ప ఎండిలంటున్నది లింగ మా దేవ శంభో మా లింగమూర్తి ఏమి సేతురా లింగ ఏమి సేతురా ఏమి ఏమి సేతురా లింగ ఏమి సేతురా The next piece, we reflect on what it is to be free, and Gandhiji felt that a free India is just not free from British rule, but which is free within. Sarvatra Bhayavarjana. Aswatantra Swargake Nammanaadu Elali. That is a very popular song which talks about when the mind is without fear. And so we have chosen this Bengali text from Tagore, Chit jetha bhayoshunya uchcho jetha shir. Any Bengalis in the audience? If there's a slip between the cup and the lip, please. I'm trying to twirl and swirl my tongue in various directions, and so I humbly seek your pardon if there is a little bit of anuswara visarga going this way and that way. So I'm doing my best to present various texts. So yeah, this pieces together the song of the Indian National Army with the text from Tagore, which talks about freedom within, finding freedom outside and inside. You can tell he's a music composer, isn't he? युग युगों की बेड़ियां शताब्दियों की नींव, युग युगों की बेड़ियां शताब्दियों की नींव, टूट गए सर्व आज जाग उठा हिंद, टूट गए सर्व आज जाग उठा हिंद, आजाद हिंद है, आजाद हिंद है, चित्त जथा भाई शून्य उच्च जथा शीर, चित्त जथा भाई शून्य उच्च जथा शीर, ज्ञान जथा उच्च जथा गहर प्राचीर, अपन प्रांगण तले दिवस शर्वरी, अपन प्रांगण तले दिवस शर्वरी, वसुधारी राखनाय खंड खंड क्षुद्र करी, वसुधारी राखनाय खंड खंड क्षुद्र करी, मुक्त आज हिंद है, बंध सर्व टूटते, सुनहरे प्रभात में मुक्त किरण फूटते, सुनहरे प्रभात में मुक्त किरण next piece talks about Asteya. Okay. Our next piece talks about Asteya, and his Asteya means non-stealing. It is non-stealing from others, non-stealing from the planet, non-stealing, and not non-stealing from. In fact, Asteya is the other side of the coin for violence. If you do not steal dignity from another person, it is a non-violent act, isn't it? So Asteya and non-violence go hand in hand. But Gandhiji takes an interesting take. He says Asteya is actually more about trusting a divine trusteeship, that this world belongs to him. It's thy kingdom and thy kingdom come. It's what is echoed in so many sacred texts. And so for this piece, we have taken a psalm from the Old Testament, from James Bible, and we piece it together with Tagore's Mahishuri Bhajan. And there's an interesting story behind this melody. This Mahishuri Bhajan, Anandoloke Mongolaloke, is actually, for all those of you who have grown up in Mysore, this is the same tune as Kayo Shri Gauri Karuna Lahari. Tagore heard this tune and was besotten with it and decided to make a Mahishuri Bhajan, albeit with devotional lyrics. And so this lyric talks about this divine trusteeship, that the inner light, the heavens are thine, the earth also is thine, the splendor and fullness thereof, thou hast founded them, it's thine. The heavens are thine. It's this Asteya. Gandhiji takes this very interesting take on Asteya as a trust in this divine trusteeship of God. The heavens are thine, the earth also is thine. The heavens are thine, the earth also is thine. As for the world and fullness thereof, thou hast found it there. As for the world and fullness thereof, thou hast found it there. Anandaloke, Mongolaloke, Viraju, Shaito Shundara, Viraju, Shaito Our last piece was immortalized by none other than M.S. Subbulakshmi and sung at the United Nations in, I think, in the 1960s. And it comes from the desk of Kanchi Paramacharya, who pleads that Maitrim Bhajata, let's worship, let's chant friendship. Maitrim Bhajata Akhila Hrijayatrim. Yuddham Tyajata, Spardham Tyajata, Tyajata Pareshu Akramamakramanam. He says, Maitrim Bhajata, Maitri itself. In fact, Maitri is a very important concept in Patanjali's Yoga Sutra also. Maitrim Bhajata Akhila Hrijayatrim. And it is making friendship with your own self, with your inner self. And when that conflict recedes, then it is possible to see the other for who they are. And hence, Maitri is possible only when there is a sincere commitment to one's own faith, so that there can be a true understanding and appreciation, not just tolerance, but a true understanding and appreciation of the other. So presenting the last piece, I know Nagraj ji is getting dressed. With this last piece, I thank you very much for being such wonderful trustees in this exploration of various texts and intercultural music, presenting Maitrim Bhajata. Maitrim Bhajata Akhila Hrijayatrim. Maitrim Bhajata Akhila Hrijayatrim. Maitrim Bhajata Akhila Hrijayatrim. Atmavadeva Paranapi Pashyata. Atmavadeva Paranapi Pashyata. Yuddham Tyajata, Spardham Tyajata. Yuddham Tyajata, Spardham Tyajata. Tyajata Pareshu Akramamakramanam. Maitrim Bhajata Akhila Hrijayatrim. Maitrim Bhajata Akhila Hrijayatrim. Janani Prithvi Kamadubhaste. Janani Prithvi Kamadubhaste. Janako Deva Sakala Dayalu. Janako Deva Sakala Dayalu. Damyata Datta Dayadrum Janata. Damyata Datta Dayadrum Janata. you can trust the rhythm guys to be the last word freaks always. So thank you very much.